Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So in this video, we are going to be breaking down, the best 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Okay, it's a clean system that works across Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other volatile altcoins. Whether you are a beginner or experienced trader, this strategy keeps things simple and effective. Okay, we are going to be using 2 moving averages and the RSI to spot fast, clean entries and manage trades effectively. Okay, all right, let us dive in. So you start with a 5-minute chart of any crypto pair. It could be BTC USD, it could be ETH USDT, or even high volume altcoins. Then you ensure that you apply the right EMAs to the chart. We're going to be using the 20 and 50 period EMAs. Okay, the 20 and 50 period EMAs are what we're going to be using in this video. All right, the 20 EMA is the short-term trend indicator, while the 50 period EMA is the medium-term trend guide. Then for our RSI, set to 14. All right, the RSI should be set to 14. The default setting, 14, is to identify momentum and avoid overbought and oversold traps. Keep your chart clean, no unnecessary indicators. All right. So for your buy setup, when the 20 EMA is above the 50 EMA, it's a buy signal. Then you look out for price pulling back toward the EMAs. Wait for price to pull back toward the EMAs, and then you ensure that the RSI stays between 40 to 60, all right, or crosses above the 50 from below. RSI should cross above the 50 from below, all right, and then make sure you get a bullish candlestick pattern from near the EMAs that confirms continuation. Make sure that you have a bullish candlestick pattern. For example, you can see we had a morning star around here, right? The morning star gave us a confirmation for this buy. Okay, and a confirmation for this buy. All right. So for a sell setup, you must have the 20 EMA below the 50 EMA and make sure that price pulls back toward the EMAs. All right. Okay, so this is an example. Price has to pull back toward the EMAs. Then make sure that the RSI is staying between 40 to 60. It should be between 40 to 60, and it has to cross below the 50 level from above. You can see that happened around here. Must cross below the 50 level from above, okay? And make sure you have a bearish candle that forms and confirms rejection. You must have a bearish confirmation, all right? Must have a bearish confirmation. Okay, you can see like what we had here, right? Must have a bearish confirmation. Avoid entries when the EMAs are flat or crossing frequently, like in this scenario. Should avoid trading during such a scenario like this when the EMAs are flat or crossing frequently. Okay, this usually signals a ranging market. All right, usually signals a ranging market. Okay, so make sure that you enter right after the confirmation candle closes. If you get a sell confirmation, you can hop into your sell trade. All right, stop loss goes just above the recent swing high for a sell trade. Then your take profit can be a fixed risk to reward ratio like 1.5 or 2. All right, if you get 1:1.5 or 1:2, you are good to go. Then for a buy trade, make sure that you get a bullish confirmation candle after you have the RSI above the 50 level and between 40 and 60. And then, of course, the 20 EMA above the 50 EMA, get your bullish confirmation candle. Stop loss goes just below the recent swing low. Take profit target can be around 1:1.5 or 1:2. And then you are good to go. All right, for your RRR. Okay. Of course, you can target recent support or resistance levels that are visible on the 5-minute chart. Keep your risk consistent across trades. All right, do not overexpose just because a move looks strong. Okay, so you can see in this particular example that BTC USD was trending upwards. The 20 EMA crossed above the 50 EMA, and you can see that price pulled back. You can see that price pulled back near the EMAs, and we had a bullish candlestick. Can you see a bullish confirmation around here? You can see even here we had a bullish confirmation. All right, and then we can see that the RSI crossed above the 50 level. Okay, so in that case, you can enter on the candle's close. When that candle closes, you can enter your buy trade, place your stop loss just under the swing low, right? And you aim for 2x of your risk minimum, or you can just aim for that exact 2x of your risk. Aim for that exact 2x of your risk, or the next resistance level. So the trade completes, probably within minutes or a few hours. This is scalping, right? Quick, clean execution. Okay. Now, only trade during high volume hours, like the overlap between London and New York sessions, or when crypto is showing strong momentum. Okay, and make sure to journal your setups. Stick to the plan. Do not take every crossover or RSI signal. All right, wait for all confirmations. It is necessary to get a confirmation, so make sure that you wait for your confirmations before you jump into the trade, and ensure that you do not risk more than you can afford to lose. Do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose. All right, stick to the plan. This strategy is all about rhythm and flow. All right, let the price come to you. Confirm momentum, then enter. Enter with proper risk management in place. All right, this is a scalping strategy, so make your decisions fast but calculated. All right, if this 5-minute crypto scalping strategy adds value to your trading, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment if you want a live backtest of a version of this using Bollinger Bands or VWAP. Catch you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay disciplined.